go all in. If you really want to do voiceover and you've been struggling to get started, or you're stuck at the very beginning stage, you haven't gone all in. You're probably still testing the waters to see if it's for you. You can't do that. Stop it. You gotta go all in, all the way. Now, if you're new to this channel, you're probably wondering, who the hell am I? Who's this random guy with his hair not even done, wearing a hoodie, yelling at you first thing in, I don't know, the afternoon when you're watching this, I guess. My name is Jesse Carroll. I'm a professional voice actor and coach. Over the last 7 years, I've done voiceover. I've done over $1 million. I make multiple six figures in a year. I've done well over 1,000 voiceover commercials, and I am the narrator for Back Road Truckers on History Channel for the last 2 seasons. And I'm a Sophist judge as well for the last 3 years, 4 years, 3 years, 4 years. I don't know, 3 years, 4. I'm going to say 4 years. Something like that. Anyway, I know what I'm talking about. And with the hundreds of students that have trained and have gone on to get work or not, the one thing that divides them, the people that get work and get work right away, and the ones that don't, is by far going all in. You know, some people get stuck on the first step. They get their gear and then they sign up for voices.com. They start getting a few auditions a day. They start doing maybe between 5, 7, 10 auditions a day, and that's where they get stuck, and that frustration plateau. That's not enough. You got to go all in. You know, if you're going to start with voices, I always recommend it. I don't work for them. I don't even really like the way they do their company. I think it could be a lot better, and I think they're a little bit greedy. But it's the easiest place to start, especially when you have no experience and you don't know what you're doing yet, because you can make mistakes there and it's very forgiving. But by no means do you stay there. I've got people in my free community in the VO lounge, and they always say things like, I only got 5 to 7 auditions on voices.com today. What do you guys think? Should I sign up for Voice 123 next? Yes. You need to do whatever you can to get 30 plus auditions a day. If you're not getting 30 plus auditions a day, you need to go all in. You got to figure it out. It's a fucking emergency. You know, even me, like, I think my booking ratio right now is, I've been moving. I've been in the middle of moving, so I haven't been able to track last few weeks. But usually my booking ratio floats between 1 in 40 to like 1 in 42 auditions that I do. I book something. It's good. It's not fantastic. There's many people with a way better booking ratio than me, but I do 50, 60 auditions a day. So I make really good money doing a boatload of auditions, and it suits me fine. Keeps me in shape, very nimble. The more I'm doing it, the more I feel like I can just kind of take a voiceover any direction. But if I was not doing that many auditions a day, if I was only doing like 10 auditions a day, like some people will tell you that that's enough and you just do them really well, I wouldn't be able to make it work. I'd go broke. That's why you got to do volume, especially today. It's so competitive. If you're not going all in and you're testing the waters, you're going to get pummeled. So if you really want to do this from the very, very, very beginning, you want to go all in. Just decide. Make a decision and decide. I am going to do voiceover no matter what. I'm going to make this happen. So when you do inevitably come against the plateaus or the frustrations, or maybe it's been a little while since you booked, or you haven't even booked your first job yet, doesn't matter, because you already made the decision. You are going to do this until you're doing it full time and continue doing it. Voiceover isn't something, there's no finish line. You know, you don't wake up one day and go, okay, I made it. That's it. Now I can quit. You don't quit voiceover. Voiceover is something that you can do well into retirement. You can do it till the day you die. As long as you can speak, you can do voiceover. That's why it's such a great industry to get into. You can do it even if you're not mobile. When I first got into voiceover, I didn't realize how amazing of an industry it was going to end up being for me. You know, it's allowed me to do many things, go on vacation and still do voiceover, move from Canada to New York to Florida without interrupting my business at all. Not really anyway. And it's given me a lot of freedom. But in the beginning, it's a grind. And I went all in. I didn't do like 5 to 10 auditions a day from the beginning. I was doing as many as I could possibly find, and usually around 30. You were getting a lot more on voices back then. But if I wasn't, excuse me, allergies, I guess. I don't know. Pollen in Florida, it's like almost springtime, I guess. I don't know. It's March and it's warm, which is weird because I'm used to it being cold. I was going all in from the beginning. If I wasn't getting like 30 auditions from voices.com, I would have gone to Voice 123, which I eventually did anyway. Because you got to have that mentality. You know, if you have hours in the day that you're not working on voiceover, and you don't have, like, let's say you don't have a second job, or you're not legitimately swamped with other things that you have to do more voiceover. whatever it is. Learn more about post audio sound, learn about where to get auditions. I don't care what it is, just work on your reads. You have to, or you're dead in the water. When I first started doing this, I was doing it, well, pretty much the entire time I was awake. I lost my job, lost my girlfriend, everything. And all I had was a lot of determination and anger, which can be a hell of a motivator. I was determined I was going to make it work. That's the first thing I did, is decide, no matter what, I am going to make this work. So every hour of the day, didn't go hang out with my friends, I didn't go for dinners. It was a fucking emergency. I was going to make this happen. And I did. But I also did, like, think about this, if I'm doing every single waking hour, like 16 hours a day, if I was doing voiceover that much every single day, and I'm against people that are doing it a few hours a day, I'm going to get to my destination twice as fast. And I did. It took me about, well, depending on what your definition of full-time is, it took me about 3 months to make a full-time income. It took me about 4 or 5 months to really start crushing it. But I got more hours put into it and more experience in those 4 months than most people do in a year or two, because I was really going for it. So go all in. Don't test the water. You know, it's okay in the beginning if you want to get a little bit more information to find out if it's for you. But if you decide, you know what, I'm going to do this, go all in. This is why I created my free community, the VO Lounge, for people that wanted to just test the water at first. But even in there, I tell them, I'm like, if you decide you're going to do this, go all in. Don't try to just do it for free and get on Fiverr and Upwork, the free sites, and around on there and get no results, or get a little bit of results and just massive amounts of frustration. Cut the middleman out. Just get to auditions. Get on a pay-to-play site. Work your way towards getting good enough to get a professional demo done. Then you get that on a website. Then you get agents, multiple agents, until you're getting like 50, 60 auditions a day. Then you can be just fine. If you find yourself frustrated on level 1, where you just got equipment and you're on voices, or maybe you're on voice 1, 2, 3 or whatever, you're just getting a few auditions a day, you have no business complaining yet. You're barely in the game. Go all in. Go all in right from the start. Anyway, that is my rant for today. I just felt like getting on this and saying it. You know, I keep seeing frustrations from you guys, and so many of you in my free community, or even some of you in my paid community that are newer, that are frustrated, and you're on level 1 and you're getting frustrated at the wrong things. You're not even all in yet. Go all in. Do that for months, then get frustrated. And keep going anyway. This is not something you finish. You do it forever. So eventually, as long as you don't quit, you will get to your destination. The more you do it, the more hours you put into it, the faster you will get there. So that is my rant for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want to learn about voiceover, check out the links below. Other than that, I've been Jesse. Oh, and we're running free trials of voiceover school right now. It's the first link below. Check that out. I swear to God, I'm not sick. I'm not contagious. Other than that, this has been another video. I'm Jesse, and we will see you in the next one. Peace.